In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PNC Bank account. Whether you're setting up a new account for saving daily transactions or managing your financial portfolio, opening a PNC Bank account online is simple and straightforward. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to visit the official PNC Bank website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.pnc.com. Once there, you'll find a plethora of options laid out for you. Find the menu indicating checking and savings. Depending on what suits your financial needs best, you might also choose virtual wallet, checking, or savings. It's like building the foundation of a strong financial future, so take a moment to consider which path aligns with your personal goals. Once you've decided on your account type, click Open Now. This will kick off your application process. Next, you'll need to enter some fundamental personal information. This includes your full name, current address, date of birth, social security number, email, and phone number. It's crucial to ensure that all this information is accurate, as it helps PNC verify your identity and ensures secure banking services. Moving on to the next step, you'll need to decide how to fund your new PNC account. You have several options at your disposal. Transfer money from an existing account at another bank, use a debit card, or choose to deposit funds later. If you're eager to start using your account immediately, transferring funds from another bank or using a debit card could be the way to go. Now, creating your online banking credentials is essential. This includes setting up a username and a strong password. Your password should be unique and not easily guessed. Think of it as a key to your financial kingdom. A good mix of letters, numbers, and symbols can make sure your account stays secure. Before you complete the application, take a moment to review the terms and disclosures provided by PNC. Understanding these details can help you make informed decisions about managing your account. If everything checks out, accept the terms to move on towards the final steps. Finally, it's time to submit your application. Once you click Submit, if all your information aligns correctly, your new PNC Bank account will be created instantly and you'll be ready to start managing your money in a new and efficient way. And there you have it. With a few clicks and some input of information, you're all set up with a new PNC Bank account. Thanks for joining me today and happy banking!